now that everybody's gone.
Okay, guys, welcome back. This is day 4 of the community car day build here at Wingman Garage. Aaron, what are we doing tonight?
Okay. Like Dan said, this is the 4th build day for the community car build day 4. Okay. We have a lofty goal today to get the oil change done. We've only been talking about it for 4 builds. No, we're gonna change the oil. Juan's gonna be on it. And we're gonna start with getting half the lift kit. Now I know what you're saying. Why are we doing half a lift kit? We're doing half a lift kit because we don't have nearly enough time tonight to do the whole lift kit. Sarge is, he's rusty. And to get the rear end all apart to do the full lift today, we're just not gonna have a lot of time. I might be talked into it, but we might look at it and start messing with some stuff back there. But I have a feeling once you guys jump in with it with me, you'll see why I want to put it off for another day. But I spent almost all day today and some of the day yesterday getting the front end prepped, 2.5-inch lift kit going on, all new springs and shocks and everything here. I also got some new headlight bezels and headlight retaining clips. Again, we're gonna do oil change. I got a really nice looking, beautiful fairing thing for the winch. Winch didn't come in time. We'll get it on next time. That's pretty much it. It's gonna be a nice day.
Nice.
It's gonna be a good night.
Easy day.
Don't jinx it, Dan.
No, there's not a single bolt that's going to get stuck tonight.
You know why?
No, because you already cut them off.
Cut them all off.
Cut them all off. All right, so I'm ready. You're ready.
These guys are all
Everybody's ready. Let's get started.
Okay. I want to put it on something that's not going to break off the Jeep.
Why don't we try to do the spring?
Do the spring. That's my next thought was. Yeah. Bit of unsprung weight here. There we go. There we go. Watch your head, Juan.
Yeah. Like step up.
Yeah.
Step up again. Did you get it?
No. Here, let me see this. Let me see this. I don't like this. I don't like this scaring me. Bring it back down. Get it over. So if I get it up, it's not gonna go over.
Over this? If we get this over, we can just push it. Yep, almost there.
All right, ready? Hold on, I'm ready. 1, 2.
There you go.
All right, hold on. Hey! Okay, so it's gotta sit.
It's gotta.
Yeah, we gotta jam it. Hold on.
There, almost. One more hit. Oh, that's it. That's it.
Hey guys, we got it in. Yeah, look at that. That's cake.
Oh yeah, I don't know about that.
Come on, buddy. Yeah, it's gonna go, Aaron.
Shush.
Where's the? Yeah.
You want a pry bar?
Yeah.
You want a spring compressor?
No. You got it. You got it. Step it up. Go for it. Go for it, baby. Go for it. Get it there, Juan. Come on. Let's scare him.
Get it, Daddy.
Oh, look at that, everybody.
Got it. That's it.
Spring compressor. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. Wow, this is going way faster than I thought. No, I'm being serious.
Jim, remember what goes where?
Yep, I do. So pull that off and this off. Set it. Yep, over here. Yep, there you go. Oh wait, hold on. I need to get the new bolts I have for that. Hold up. Wait a minute. So crush washer, nut. I'll get the other side set up for you. Get them started for now. We'll ring them up in a second. Car build, you know, it's just a good time, good people, good atmosphere. He's very spec man. He's very spec. If it says 29.8 foot-pounds, he's gonna put it at 29.8. Not 0.9, not 0.7, 0.8.
What are those engineers, right?
Yeah.
Smart people design those.
torque spec on this thing?
No, it's just you just gotta basically just crush the bushing.
German style.
Yep.
Okay.
Because essentially the torque spec will be so low anyway that it would just continue to turn it and turn it and turn it until you just get it good and tight. It'll be all right.
It probably won't fall off this week.
Not this week. So, as you were saying, one point that I want to make is we're running out of time. So what I'm going to probably do is add more build days to the schedule. So we've got next week, so like a week from today is the next one. We're probably going to use that as a wrap-up event, and we still need to do the audio portion. So if you're watching this, check out the schedule at wingmangarage.com because we're probably going to add at least one more date for the events for this year. I prepped it all day long to get so the suspension would go on nicely, and it did. We actually made record time with that for once.
So it was already like that?
Yeah, I took all the old springs and stuff out today.
POR15 and put it on the slap.
I got black spray paint. We'll make it look pretty. It's a $25 car, man.
I have like 3 cans of 415 at home on the way.
Bring them over. We'll pour the whole thing. Take it out, huh? You're really gonna just take it out, huh? Just really gonna, okay. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
The other one's still in.
Is it spinning or is it seized?
No, we got the nuts off them. Both of them are.
But it's not seized in the bushing? Yay! Oh my God, it makes me so happy. I'm just so sick of cutting stuff off.
I mean, to be fair.
Yeah, that's gonna be a different story.
Do you have like a pry bar or something you can whack on?
Yeah, of course. It does look super tall. If you're a good one, I'll take it up in the air so you don't have to sit on the floor. Because we could start the. We could.
You want that
What do you see,
brace?
man?
You want that brace back here? 'Cause it's gonna drop.
Yeah, we'll brace it. As you can see, the control arms aren't connected to anything. See that?
Okay.
See
so
that?
Yeah, so it's gonna drop because these aren't connected.
Oh,
The sway bar,
the sway bars are not.
and then the
No,
control
so
arm is
It's gonna
Bluetooth.
drop.
It's a Bluetooth.
Control
It's a
arm.
Bluetooth. Well, no. Control arm. See, there's
Oh,
the
the
other
top
half
one.
of it. It's supposed to go there.
Oh, the top one. It's only. Yeah, so maybe leave it alone.
I can put something underneath this,
Yeah.
but
here's
what
the
the
thing.
problem? Oh, when we drive it, yeah, I
If
can't
you-
do that.
You got it.
Because you got to get it out of here.
Yeah,
Maybe we'll just loosen
So-
and prep and then don't take off.
yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah, fire does go a long way. Let me just cut that.
I mean.
Oh,
there's
that's
a
the brake line. Okay, we'll put him away.
This, you know what? Sarge is a real trendsetter.
Real
in the
American
future
hero.
technology.
You guys are freaking rock stars. Use the other one. The other side?
Already done.
Oh, okay.
We're about half a hole off on this thing.
What do you mean?
Come over this side. I can't see it.
Yeah, the axle's rocked forward.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, what if I can just put some... No.
Oh, heck, we're getting there. We're about halfway there. Yeah, we need a little bit more than that.
Ready? You and me? Yep. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Anything? Nope. All right, you can go. Oh, okay, Mr. Guns over here. Let's see if you can do this one already. Get it, young buck. Get it, buddy.
Come on. Good effort. Good try.
Good effort. That's all right. Like, she's due between now and end of July.
All right, I'll be here.
And Cora came 4 weeks early, which would be
Next week.
basically next week. You're good, bud.
Like half the car track cars that we got, he gave me.
There you go.
We had to scramble to find another car in one of the shows.
They have fallen out.
It's gonna come straight out at you. It shouldn't be hot, so
Oh my God, it's oil.
Don't let it get on your hands.
let's see if he's got it. Oh, nice. Let me keep right there. I'll get scraped out. We're doing the oil change, everybody. Oil is getting changed, finally. Only took us 4 events.
Just like went at that thing. It was like a pack of just like rabid raccoons attacking like a trash can, but not like a trash. That's not a trash can, but it was like they were just attacking the shit like a wolverine. That's a better example. Like a wolverine, and something like came into its den and was just like, get the hell out. Like, and it just started going at it. That's what it looked like with these guys. Wow. That was really, really intense and impressive. They just attacked this Jeep.
Yeah,
Could be the fastest I've ever seen a team work. Like Ever. That was awesome. Aaron, walk us through what happened.
Okay, I'm not even sure I should be the guy to walk you through it because these guys killed it today. Round of applause, everybody. Yeah! Give me that back. Okay. Dare I say, we actually got everything accomplished today that I said we might get accomplished today. Half a lift, just half. We got the new headlight bezels in and the retainers. We got the oil changed finally. It only took us 4 events to change the oil. Woo! Yeah. Juan and Phil attacked the rear end. They attacked it. And getting it almost all the way prepped for me to work on it next week, so that way next week's event we might be actually finish the lift. And then, yeah, you guys killed it today. I'm really, really proud of everybody. Oh yeah, the winch plate's on there too. Thank you, Nathan. Oh, let us know in the comments, which fog light do you prefer? Okay, check this out. Zoom in on that. We've got circular white that kind of goes in with the headlights, or we can do the square yellow. You guys let me know. Dan, I'm gonna give it back to you.
Yeah.
Again, I'm super proud of everybody today. You guys, today went by really fast. Even though it's 8:45, everybody had a good time. These events are getting better and better. I love it.
Make sure you head over to wingmangarage.com and keep an eye out for the info coming out on the hunt.
Yes.
The hunt.
That's right. So here, next week, Wednesday is our next event. I know it's pretty quick, but trying to wrap things up kind of fast. But I think I might try and add another Wednesday, maybe mid-July. Depends on if my wife gives birth or not. Because we have a lot more to do. We still need to do all the audio. And then I'm working on planning the scavenger hunt either very end of July or like beginning of August. So keep an eye out for that. It's going to be fun.
Keep an eye out. Make sure you're subscribed. Click the bell thingy for notifications. Thank you all for watching. As always, have a good morning. Boop.
now that everybody's gone, did you know that Jeep has a history of making Pope mobiles? Vehicles that the popes use in public to get around? Both Pope Francis and Pope John Paul II have been seen in Jeep Wranglers.
Yes, round of applause. Okay. We stuck. Okay, let's. All right, hold on. One more time.
Yeah, and I want to say, make sure you head over to Wingman. I want to say, wingman.com and Wingman. Oh shoot! Wow. Okay, hang on. Where's your reverse? Right?
You've been caught on camera.
Didn't dent it. It's not dented. Logan, I'm sorry. I love you, bro. I love you, man. Had my first cutoff wheel go off in my face today.
That was wild. Number one, it's super hot in here, which is crazy because when we started this, it was cold. I was cold.
Build.
Nope. It is day 4. No, guys. Okay, let's restart.
Build day 4.
Build day 4. Okay. All right. You ready? Are you even recording? You're recording back there. Okay. All right. I'm just distracting myself.
And then one of the bolts I cut off with the cutoff wheel was so hot that when it fell off the nut, it burned through my shirt, burned my stomach, and then burned my pants.
Oh my.
I have like a big. I'm gonna show you. That's not.
It's not that kind of show.
It's not that kind of show. I don't get paid enough for that.
You
You gotta do a woo.
We gotta do a woo.
You gonna do the woo?
I'm not really a woo. There it is. All right.
I don't know what's back there. You better be careful.
Whatever's back here better be careful. I'm not trapped in. I'm not trapped in here with it. It's trapped in here with me. Both Pope Francis and Pope John Paul II have been seen in modified Jeep Wranglers. So watch out for Jeep Wranglers. Yeah.